Okay, when you need to get the LCM of fairly complicated looking algebraic expressions that are polynomials, first thing you want to do is get the complete prime factorization of each of the polynomials. So here's the first one. And we can see that there's a greatest common factor of 3h. If I factor out that greatest common factor, the first term is 4h squared, and the trinomial that remains minus 4h minus 3. And you can double check that by remultiplying to see if you get what you started with. And now we have to factor this trinomial. Over here I used what we call split the middle. I'm looking for these two middle terms that add up to negative 4h and have a product of negative 12 for the coefficients. And if I split that middle, the negative 4h and the negative 6h plus 2h, and then factor by grouping, there is the two binomials that trinomial factors into. So there's the complete factorization for the first one. For the second one, we can factor out a 4hr from each term. I wrote the 4 as 2 squared in case there was other factors of 2 in the other polynomial, but there aren't. So it would be okay to leave that as a 4. But there's the trinomial that remains. Factor that trinomial into h minus 2 times the quantity h minus 5. There's the complete factorization of the second trinomial. Now, to form the LCM, what you're going to do is take each factor of one of the polynomials, that's written in blue over here, and then add on any factors from the second polynomial that don't appear. So I need the 2 squared, I need a factor of r, and I need the h minus 2, h minus 5. And I can multiply the numerical coefficient together to get 12hr times the product of these four binomials. There's your LCM. If you want to check it, you can take that LCM and divide it by each of the original polynomials, and all the factors should cancel out. If they don't, you don't really have the LCM. And you can see in blue that everything in the denominator cancels out if I divide by that one. And same for the second polynomial. All the factors cancel out. So there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.